In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Strava app. If you're new to Strava, it's a popular fitness app for tracking runs, rides, hikes, and more. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have the app installed and ready to open. First, open the app marketplace on your device. On an iPhone or iPad, that's the App Store. On an Android phone or tablet, that's the Google Play Store. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, so the download goes quickly and doesn't use a lot of mobile data. If you've had issues installing apps before, it can also help to check that your device has enough free storage space, but in most cases you can move right ahead. Next, use the search bar at the top of the store and type Strava. You should see Strava appear in the results with its recognizable orange icon and the official developer listed as Strava. This helps you confirm you're choosing the right app and not a lookalike. Tap on the Strava result to open the app's page, where you can see screenshots, a short description, and reviews. This is a good place to confirm it fits what you're looking for. Now, install the app. On iPhone and iPad, tap Get, and you may be prompted to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. On Android, tap Install. The download will begin right away. You'll see a progress indicator showing how much is left, and you can stay on that page or return to your home screen. Either way, the download will continue. If the download seems slow, staying on Wi-Fi and keeping the screen awake can help. If the store asks you to sign in, that's normal. Just follow the on-screen prompts provided by your device. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the option to open. Go ahead and tap Open to start the app. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Strava, and you're ready to launch it anytime from your home screen or app drawer. If you plan to use it frequently, consider placing it on your main home screen so it's easy to find. To recap quickly, open your device's app store, search for Strava, tap Install or Get on iOS, and then tap Open when it's done. Simple, fast, and you're ready to explore what Strava can do for your fitness tracking. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new app.